Procedures in stowing dangerous cargoes. Trimming. Trimming a cargo reduces the likelihood of the cargo shifting and minimizes air entering the cargo. Air entering the cargo could lead to spontaneous heating. Cargo space shall be as held and practicable without resulting in excessive loading on the bottom structure or twin deck to prevent sliding of a solid bulk. Cargo should spread widely as productable to the boundary of the cargo space. Alternate hold loading restrictions as required by SOLAS Chapter 7 may also need to be taken in account. Methods of determining angles of response. Factors affecting the angles of response. The individual material will affect the angle of response. A reflection of the different coefficient of friction between different substances. The size of the particles of factor. Tilting box method. This method is approximate for the grain non-cohesive materials with individual particle size less than 10 millimeters. The material is placed within a box with a transparent side of observe the granule test material. It should be initially be labeled and parallel to the base of the box. The box is slowly tilted on a rate of approximately 3 degrees second. Tilting is stopped when the materials begin to slide in bulk and the angle of the tilt measured. Fixed panel method. The material is poured through the panel to form a cone. The tip of the funnel should be held close to the growing cone and slowly raises as the pile grows to minimize the impact of falling particles. Segregation. It must be measured that all DG containers are loaded in the planned stow position. Any discrepancies shall be brought to the notice of the thermal planner, central planner, and a local agent as required. The final condition may be accepted only in meeting all stowage and segregation required, else it must be corrected by discharging shifting concerned containers. The requisite day and night signal for vessel carrying, loading, discharging dangerous cargo shall be displayed. When handling carrying dangerous cargo on board, smoking shall be strictified, not be allowed other than designated smoking areas. Signs placards shall be approximately displayed on the gangway of the deck. Location and properties and of dangerous cargo shall be considered when carrying out of any special work on board, such as hot work and etc. Stowage. Every dangerous cargo shipment shall be made in line with IMO policy and accompanied by required documentations. DG cargo with restricted prohibited UN numbers shall not be accepted for shipment unless under special circumstances express permission is obtained from the company. All DG containers must be checked for proper label placards as required by the IMDG code. A stock of spare label placards must be kept on board. DG containers must be checked for conditions prior loading and leaking or damaged containers posing a hazard shall be rejected.